We all need probiotics, but expensive pills can take months to work. Factory products have scary ingredients and as few as one strain. Making your own would take hours and fill the sink with dishes. Yogurt is too hot for mesophilic cultures. Kefir is too cold for thermophilic cultures. The new ProbioticMaker targets body temperature to grow probiotics right in the bottle. Simply add the starter packet with 11 types of probiotic seeds, slide on the maker and plug in overnight, then cool, flavor, and enjoy. Use whole milk to make full fat or keto. Use skim milk to make delicious fat-free probiotic protein shakes. Strain to make Greek yogurt, kefir cheese, or cream cheese. Even use milk alternatives with natural sugars and no preservatives. Versions with high protein will thicken as well. One batch is the equivalent of hundreds of pills, 32 yogurts, 47 probiotic drinks, or 64 yogurt tubes. Save over 100 pieces of plastic and garbage per batch. The lightweight makers store compactly and are handmade in the USA using 100% recycled graphite and insulation. Order yours now and please share to help as many people as possible. Thank you for your support.